Reduces noise and vibration by surrounding the string with dampening material. Bow does not lose velocity. Weight, 19 grains. Quiets the bow by surrounding the string with dampening material. Requires a bow press for installation. Top reviews from the United States. Quiets My Recurve. I installed 2 of these, one on top and one on bottom, on my 40 Samick Sage, and the noise reduction was immediately noticeable. I frequent my local range about 3 times a week, and this morning 2 guys were watching and they commented how quiet my bow was. I was thinking to myself, you should have heard it 2 days ago. Installation was easy. First, destring the bow. Get a small cotter pin from your local hardware store. I used one about 1.5 long and 1/6 to 1/8 at its largest diameter. Open the cotter pin enough to pull the eye of the bowstring into the eye of the cotter pin, then tighten the cotter pin and thread it through the tiny hole of the Bowjax. When you have enough of the cotter pin exposed through the Bowjax, simply grab a pair of pliers and while gripping the cotter pin gently push the Bowjax over the bowstring until you get it to the desired location of the bowstring. Perform these steps on both ends of the bowstring and you're done. I shot about 50 arrows today over a 3-hour peroid and the Bowjax didn't move an inch. I am very happy with this purchase and the end results.